Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be making peach iced tea. I have with me here 3 bags of green tea, 1 sliced lemon here. I have 6 peaches, 1 cup of sugar, and 3 cups of water. Now the first step is pretty simple. Like I said earlier, I got some green tea here, 3 green bags of organic green tea. You can use what you want, but in my opinion it comes out better with green tea. What I'm going to do is get some boiling water and pour it into the cup here. And now I'm going to let that sit and cool down, and in the meantime we're going to go ahead and get started with our peaches. Alright, we're going to start out with cutting our peaches here. So I'm going to get this one. Once you cut them up here, cut them into little squares essentially. Just little pieces, whatever you can. And we're going to toss them in a pan here, which I have directly to my right. Now that I've finished cutting these peaches up into pieces, I'm going to pour it here into this pan. Make sure to spread them out a little bit. And I'm going to put 1 cup of sugar. Be sure to spread it around. And after that, I'm going to use our 3 cups of water. And our goal is to cover everything in water here. So if you see something poke it out, be sure to reassort it. And we should be good. So what I'm going to go do is take this over to the stove and get this boiling. Alright, I'm going to put my peaches on the stove here. And we're going to set the burner to a medium fire. And I'm going to put a lid on top of it and let it sit for 20 minutes. And we'll come back to it then. Alright, it's been about 20 minutes. I'm going to take the lid off here. As you can see, basically the skin has been peeled off. The consistency is completely different. You should be able to smell the peaches at this point. So what I'm going to do here is turn off the fire and start to push on these peaches and kind of turn them into a pulp, sort of. Alright, we're going to go back to the table and get started. Alright, after we finished up over at the stove, I put this in a little container here, and what I'm going to do is grab a cup here. It doesn't have to be a cup in specific, I'm just using it to bring it over here and bringing it over a filter, and I'm just gonna push all the pulp that we created through. And essentially what we're creating here is peach extract, or peach juice. We're gonna mix this in with the tea later, but I want to make sure I get every ounce of liquid out of there. And we're gonna do this with the rest of the container. Alright, I got my pitcher full of ice cubes here. Well, not full, but a little bit of ice cubes. And I have my green tea and our peach juice, essentially. This is how it came out. We have about almost 4 cups there. So we're gonna start by pouring our green tea on top of the ice here. Okay, I'm gonna get our peach extract right in there. Now it's gonna be too strong if you drink it just like that. So we have some water here. I have 4 cups, but I'm not gonna use all of that. I'm gonna try just a bit here. Alright, so I used about 2 cups there. Let me mix it up together. And I'm gonna get a drop here in my hand. It tastes pretty good, but it could use just a tad more sugar. I have a 1/4 cup here, but I'm only gonna use a little bit out of that. It really doesn't need all too much. And I'm gonna mix that in. I'm gonna get just a little bit more water to top it off. Again, we don't want it being too strong. Oh man, that's great. So I'm gonna go ahead and serve this in a few cups, and I'll be right back. All right, we finished up here. I have it in my mason jars ready to serve. Now it's up to you. You can top it off with a lemon slice on top here. You can put some mint in there if you want. It's all up to you. Try it here and there, see what you like, and go from there. Regardless, I ask that you try it out and leave us a comment down below to let us know how it came out. Drop a like and be sure to subscribe so you can get more videos like this coming out. Well, we appreciate you stopping by and hope to see you again. Have a good one.